Hello.
Hello.
I'm cameraing.
Do we need to have access to the buttons on the screen?
No.
Okay. Do we have a remote or something?
Yes.
Okay. Great. Did you cut the plywood pieces I need to make the cushions?
Nope.
Okay. I think that's step 1.
Step 0 is status update, I think.
Okay. So I took another 5 days off because van life. So now we're gonna try to get shit done. Can I say that?
Yeah, say whatever you want. That's what you're gonna say anyways.
Rob made this bench. Did we show you?
No.
He had the prototype. You had the prototype in the last video?
Maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Because Jess thought you were going to sit on the 2x4 up your bum. She didn't realize you were going to put plywood in between.
Wow.
This is our bench. It's painted. There's holes in it because we want to access this storage area. If you can see here, like this is all going to be storage.
Can we put the sleeping bag in there for context? I feel like it's always wicked hard to tell how big it actually is just by looking at this.
We have sleeping bags. We weren't sure where we were going to put them. And we're just going to shove them in here.
So we should put acorn nuts on these bolts.
Those fit. And the rest will probably be like clothes storage or extra blankets or towels or something. Maybe something for the dog if he's a good boy. And then we'll have the same on this side when this is done. With a little bit of extra space here because we don't have the batteries and the inverter.
There's not enough room.
Do we make a wall for this end? Or
I'm not
does
sure.
it remain open?
I thought we could put maybe a small lip on this edge so that because this like
Yeah.
could be ease of access and we just need something to prevent stuff from falling off here.
Okay.
And then we get good airflow around these components. We've also got a louvered vent here, which is right in line with the fans on the inverter so they can blow straight through. I'm not sure if you can see in there. It's probably too contrasty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's the shot there.
We painted this wall panel the chopped dill, which is the same as the cabinet color. So our goals that we're gonna work on now and all weekend, I guess, is make some cushions for this bench and the back. So this will be, we're gonna have to put some plywood here so that these holes are covered and it will help support us as we're sitting back. So this is gonna be the fabric that we use for the cushion upholstery. That's about it.
Wait, we didn't even show them the finished thingy there, did we?
I don't know. Okay.
We've got some storage cubbies here underneath this, what we've been calling a bed wing here. So when our bed is down all the way, the mattress will come up to about here, and we'll have a thinner cushion out here because it would also have pillows on it. And this completes our bed so that we have the full length from here all the way across to here. Although I haven't built this wing yet, but it's going to look the same as it does over here.
And then when Rob was building this, he wasn't really planning for cubbies, but surprise, it worked out and they're there, so we might as well use it for storage, right?
I need the tape measure.
Here we go. To be clear, I have no idea what I'm doing. So I basically Googled how to cut foam. And a lot of people said to use bread knife because it's kind of like bread. When you slice it, you don't want to squish it. So yeah, I'm going to try to use a bread knife and we'll see how it goes. Basically, I traced my line for the cushion, and that's going to be my cut line. So I got the foam cut, and then I used spray adhesive to adhere it onto this 1/4-inch piece of plywood. So it seems pretty good. Now I'm gonna wrap it in this cushion wrap. It's like a batting. And then we'll get onto the fabric.
What are you doing?
I'm putting the wrap on the cushion. It just makes it a little softer, and so you don't have sharp edges. The foam for the cushion is now wrapped in more foam, and I glued the sides up just to make it easier for when I wrap the fabric. I'm gonna trim these corner pieces off now, and then I will get to the next part.
Now what's happening?
I have to iron the fabric because I don't want any creases in it once it's on the cushion.
Ooh, look at how flat this fabric is. Now what?
Now I iron the fabric, and I'm gonna wrap it around the cushion and staple the edges.
Cushion's upside down.
Yeah, so I can staple it on the back. I don't want to staple on the front, that would be weird.
Is that where you're supposed to cut it?
Don't know. Too late now. How's it look?
It looks so good.
I just don't...
Do you like how it looks?
Yeah, the only thing I need help on... Well, maybe other things, I don't know. I just don't know how I should...
The only thing you need help with.
I just don't know how I should secure the corners.
The staples?
Yeah, but like, how should I fold it? Like... that?
Yeah,
Fold
like
it
you're wrapping
towards
a
the
present.
back? Or like pull this in and then do this. Oh, that looks kind of messy. Or fold it in and then...
Seems like the first way was probably the neatest.
Or should I like...
But I don't really care.
cut it?
I feel like they all will look fine. I feel like it's high risk to cut it.
So fold towards the center.
Either direction doesn't really matter. Probably the sides would be the least visible. What happened?
This is it. I wrapped it in fabric. I stapled it to the back and trimmed it. I hammered the staples down that weren't stuck in all the way. And now we're gonna do a test fit.
A test sit.
Test sit. It fits. Do you want to do the first sit?
If you want me to.
Okay.
Oh wow. I got less clearance for my head now. But I still have enough, so that's pretty good.
Okay. Is it comfy?
Yeah, it makes the back a little awkward now because it's not padded.
Yeah, well, we're gonna do that next.
Get on that.
How do I know when it's recording?
You just know that it's already recording.
Oh. You guys ready for this?
Ready for what?
My benches. Or my bench. Is it clean in here?
The last thing that the people knew was that I was designing the benches.
No, we showed them the first cushion I made.
Oh.
Right?
I have no idea.
Okay, well, oh man, the door just locked. Now are you ready for this spectacular bench? Ta-da!
Are you so proud of your work?
Yeah, are you?
Yeah.
I've never even made these before. And now here we are. The back is a little short, but it's pretty good if you put the pillow behind. Come on in. I made this pillow, and then I made these cushions. I upholstered them. Rob designed the bench so that we have some storage in here. Look at all that space.
So many shoes.
So many shoes I can bring with me.
Do they see all your food cubbies?
There's these little cubbies, which right now I'm putting some snacks in because I get hangry when I'm out here. So I stocked up on the good stuff. So the last thing that I had to sew was the cover for the side mattress piece. This is the finished product. So it just sits on this bed wing, as we've been calling it, and it will complete the mattress so we can sleep side to side. Obviously this side is not ready yet, but as soon as we figure out what dimensions this needs to be, we can build that, and I will do the same on that side. So the cushion cover basically was a disaster because it's kind of an odd shape. I had to cut around the window, so that notch really kind of messed me up. It took me all day, but now it's done. And I think it came out pretty well. So basically it just wraps all the way around, and then there's a flap on this side, and I sewed some Velcro pieces on here so it can be nice and tight. So I think that's all the sewing that I've done this weekend. And it'll be a while until we can get that piece figured out, but that'll be the next step. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, subscribe, like our videos, leave a comment if you have any questions or tips, let us know.